Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily get voice changer on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app. Then on TikTok, tap at that plus sign to start creating a video, and now you are able to record a video. Just hold down this rec button, and once you finished recording a video, you can release your finger and then hit at that check mark icon. And on that step, at that right toolbar, you can easily find this audio editing icon. You can just tap on that, and now you are able to change your current voice on that TikTok video just by selecting one of those presets. Just tap at any of them, and once you find one you like most, you can just hit right here at save button to apply those changes. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.